I made the Hangman then.
We really call it the Hangman. That's because you step across the two, right slack, flat on the ground. That's because you put one of your foot over there.
I don't know, maybe I caused the Hangman maybe.
Yeah.
Well, even though I wasn't in the way. They probably thought I was. Well, thanks Anthony for making a Hangman. No parkour students didn't call it.
Never seen him do that before, did you?
No, like I wasn't even in the way for that. Oh well. I don't care. Since I thought this bar was turning for a second. What about it's very loose or something, probably? I don't know, maybe I could have been too close, probably. But I always sound where I did sound like. My foot was actually just right there, so it was. I think Antrim was mostly the busiest Hangman ever. I think it's the most person to do a Hangman. Where's the train at? I don't know, it's switched back now, and of course you can hear it's back in day mode again. I'm sure one day it's gonna get stuck in night mode. So that's good. There's a big came off there. Two of them. They're coming in that factory there or something. No idea what the Hangman was for. Like I did like a Hangman for no reason, or maybe I got too close. Maybe I don't know. But I always did what I always did. Especially on the 1st of December as well. And also this month is my birthday as well, on the 30th. I'm becoming 14 next. Funny thing about this big walk here, like it's normal if it look like the wee pool's like facing the other way. So for example, if that light was like facing that way. Well, I've not moved into Antrim at all, so I'm not the person that makes the Hangmans. Mostly the park students would. CCTV there probably saw me. I am sorry for making a Hangman, but oh well. You think, man, I would have a full team on my but mostly it's not sucking on with it all, but I will go sucking on with again for the fourth time. Right here, it's kind of right about here.